Welcome to Wyoming, a state where the very earth seems to breathe with the spirit of the wild. Join us now as we venture into the heart of Wyoming, a state where bison still roam free, where geysers erupt from the earth with primal force, and where the spirit of the American West is woven into the very fabric of the land. Wyoming's landscape is a study in contrasts, a dramatic tapestry woven from towering mountains, vast plains, and deep verdant forests. This state is a living canvas painted with the bold strokes of nature's brush, where every corner reveals a new and breathtaking scene. To the west, the Rocky Mountains rise like jagged teeth from the earth, their snow-capped peaks piercing the clouds. These majestic mountains are not just a sight to behold, but a symbol of the rugged beauty and untamed spirit of the American West. Here in Grand Teton National Park, the Teton Range stands as a testament to the raw power of nature, its granite peaks carved by glaciers over millennia. The park is a sanctuary for wildlife and a paradise for adventurers, offering a glimpse into the Earth's ancient past. Further east, the mountains give way to the high plains, a seemingly endless expanse of sagebrush and grasslands that stretches towards the horizon. This vast open landscape is a reminder of the boundless possibilities and the freedom that defines the American spirit. This is a land shaped by wind and weather, where herds of pronghorn antelope race across the open range, their hooves drumming a rhythm as old as time itself. The pronghorn, with their incredible speed and grace, embody the wild and untamed essence of Wyoming. From the geothermal wonders of Yellowstone National Park, where geysers erupt in plumes of steam and hot springs bubble with ancient heat, to the vibrant colors of the park's thermal features, Yellowstone is a place where the Earth's inner workings are on full display. To the towering monolith of Devil's Tower, a silent sentinel rising from the plains, Wyoming is a land that constantly surprises and astounds. This natural monument, steeped in Native American legends, stands as a powerful reminder of the region's rich cultural heritage. These geological wonders are not merely scenic marvels. They are a testament to the immense forces that have shaped our planet over millions of years. Each formation tells a story, a chapter in the epic tale of Earth's history, inviting us to explore and discover the secrets of this remarkable land. Wyoming is a state that understands the importance of preserving its natural heritage. The vast open spaces and untouched wilderness areas are a testament to the state's commitment to conservation. Within its borders lie two of America's most iconic national parks, Yellowstone and Grand Teton. These parks are not just landmarks, they are living, breathing ecosystems that play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity. Yellowstone, the world's first national park, is a geothermal wonderland, a place where the Earth's fiery heart beats close to the surface. The park's geothermal features, including hot springs, mud pots, and fumaroles, create a landscape that is both alien and beautiful. Here, geysers like Old Faithful erupt with clockwork precision, sending plumes of scalding water high into the air, a spectacle that has captivated visitors for generations. The predictability of Old Faithful's eruptions is a natural marvel that continues to draw crowds from around the world. But Yellowstone is more than just geysers and hot springs. It is a vast ecosystem, home to a remarkable diversity of life. The park's landscapes range from lush forests to expansive meadows, each supporting a unique array of flora and fauna. It is a vast ecosystem, home to a remarkable diversity of life. Herds of bison, numbering in the thousands, roam the park's valleys and meadows, while elk bugle in the forest and grizzly bears fish for salmon in its rivers. Herds of bison, numbering in the thousands, roam the park's valleys and meadows, while elk bugle in the forests and grizzly bears fish for salmon in its rivers. The presence of these majestic animals is a reminder of the park's role in wildlife conservation. South of Yellowstone, Grand Teton National Park offers a different kind of beauty. The park's dramatic landscapes are characterized by the towering peaks of the Teton Range, which rise abruptly from the valley floor. Here, the jagged peaks of the Teton Range rise abruptly from the valley floor, their granite faces reflected in the pristine waters of Jenny Lake. The park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering opportunities for hiking, climbing, and wildlife viewing. These national parks and monuments are more than just tourist destinations. They are sanctuaries for wildlife, living laboratories for scientists, and a source of inspiration for all who visit. They represent the enduring legacy of conservation efforts and the ongoing commitment to preserving the natural beauty of Wyoming for future generations. Wyoming's wild heart beats strongest in the animals that call this state home. The vast landscapes of Wyoming are not just scenic backdrops, they are vibrant ecosystems teeming with life here. Nature's drama unfolds daily, showcasing the resilience and beauty of wildlife in its natural habitat. From the heights of the Rocky Mountains to the wind-swept plains, Wyoming pulsates with the energy of life in its rawest form. The rugged terrain and diverse climates create a sanctuary for a myriad of species, each uniquely adapted to thrive in this untamed wilderness. The American bison, a symbol of the Wild West, thrives here. These majestic creatures, with their massive frames and shaggy coats, are a living testament to the wild spirit of the American frontier. Once driven to the brink of extinction, these magnificent creatures have made a remarkable comeback in Wyoming, where vast herds graze on the open range, their hooves drumming a primal rhythm across the land. Their presence is a powerful reminder of nature's ability to heal and restore. In the shadows of the Teton Range, the elusive grizzly bear reigns supreme. These formidable predators are both feared and revered, embodying the raw power and mystery of the wilderness. A symbol of wilderness and power, the grizzly is a reminder of the untamed spirit of this land. Their presence is a testament to the wild, unbroken landscapes that still exist in Wyoming. To catch a glimpse of one of these magnificent creatures in the wild is a truly humbling experience. Watching a grizzly bear with her cubs, one can't help but feel a deep connection to the primal forces of nature. The high plains belong to the pronghorn, an antelope so swift it can outrun a cheetah over long distances. These incredible animals are built for speed, with long, slender legs and a lightweight frame. Their tan and white coats blend seamlessly with the grasslands, making them difficult to spot until they erupt into a burst of speed, their hooves kicking up dust devils as they race across the prairie. The pronghorn's agility and endurance are a marvel of evolution. And then there are the wolves, their haunting howls echoing through the valleys at dusk. These apex predators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Once hunted to near extinction, wolves have made a slow and steady comeback in Wyoming, their presence a sign of a healthy ecosystem. Their return has brought a renewed sense of wildness to the landscape. Wyoming's wildlife is a testament to the state's commitment to conservation. Through dedicated efforts, these species continue to thrive, ensuring that future generations can experience the wonder of Wyoming's animal kingdom. For those who hear the call of the wild, Wyoming offers endless opportunities for adventure. Lace up your hiking boots and set off on the trail, following in the footsteps of explorers and mountain men. Scale the granite peaks of the Teton Range, where every step is a test of skill and endurance, and the reward is a view that will take your breath away. Or lose yourself in the vast wilderness of Yellowstone, where steaming geysers erupt from the earth and bison graze in meadows ringed by lodgepole pines. Cast a line into the Snake River, its waters teeming with trout, or navigate the rapids in a kayak, the roar of the water drowning out all other sounds. In winter, the mountains transform into a skier's paradise, offering some of the best powder in North America. Whether you seek adrenaline-pumping thrills or peaceful moments of contemplation, Wyoming has something to offer everyone. So come, answer the call of the wild, and discover the adventure that awaits in this untamed corner of the American West. Wyoming's beauty can be harsh and unforgiving. This is a land of extremes where scorching summers give way to bitterly cold winters, and the weather can change in an instant. High in the mountains, snow can fall even in the summer months, blanketing the peaks in a pristine white mantle. Winter brings deep snowdrifts and temperatures that plummet far below freezing, testing the limits of both man and beast. On the high plains, the wind howls across the open range, whipping up dust devils that dance across the landscape. Despite the challenges, life finds a way to thrive in Wyoming's extreme conditions. For those who live here, the changing seasons are a way of life, a cycle of renewal and rebirth that is deeply ingrained in the rhythm of the land. Woven into the fabric of Wyoming's landscape is a rich tapestry of human history. For centuries, Native American tribes have called this land home, their cultures and traditions deeply intertwined with the natural world. The Crow, Cheyenne, Arapaho, Shoshone and Lakota all have deep connections to this land, their stories etched into the landscape itself. Visit ancient petroglyphs carved into rock faces, testaments to a time when bison roamed the plains in even greater numbers, and listen to the whispers of the past carried on the wind. Later, European explorers and fur trappers arrived, drawn by the promise of adventure and riches. The spirit of the Wild West is alive and well in Wyoming. Visit frontier towns like Cody, founded by the legendary Buffalo Bill Cody, and step back in time to an era of cowboys, outlaws, and saloon dances. Wyoming played a pivotal role in the fight for women's suffrage. Today, Wyoming is a state that honors its past while looking towards the future. As our journey through Wyoming comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe at the raw beauty and untamed spirit of this remarkable state. From its towering mountains and windswept plains to its abundant wildlife and rich cultural heritage, Wyoming has captivated our senses and stirred our souls. Wyoming is a reminder that there are still wild places left in this world, places where the human spirit can reconnect with the natural world and find solace in the beauty of simplicity. So until next time, Wyoming, keep your spirit wild and your skies forever blue.